Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Super happy to be here once again. Please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you have not. Discord link is in the description. We got 15 seconds before the market opens. I got two and only two on watch this morning, and that is Vero, of course, and LCFY. Yeah. Is that this side? It's this side. Yeah, it's better. All right. We are open. Arrow is looking really good off the. It's gone. That was it. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Hmm. Yeah. Looked pretty good. LCFY is looking good. It's looking good. What you looking at today, Wave Rider? Lucy. Lucy or LCFY? I was about to say, ain't no way. Dang, boy, LCFY looks super fly. Yeah, I'm chilling though. Dang, Vero. I knew that was gonna be a lower high when I printed too. If I would have played it. Dang, halted down. Yo, what's up, Supernova? No trading today. All right, man. Yes, sir. Follow the rules. That is the number one objective. Appreciate you, bro. Guess ain't no point looking at that. Arrow ran off. It's over with. I know about LCFY past 526 right here. This ain't that bad on the 30 minute. Huh. Could be alright. Yeah. me see something at 5. I don't know if I want it under 5. I'll go 457. What's up, Leon? That was good. Hey, Bobby. Yeah, for sure. I'm chilling. It sure would. Man, Vero going crazy though, man. $7 broke pre-market high. It's good to see though. Yeah, it's good to see, man. I hope we see LCFY come back too. Come holler at Vero again about $6. Minute 55. Yeah. What's the second? Is Vero number one? What's the first two? What's up, man? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm still hanging around, man. Still chasing the dream, bro. Dang, bro, this thing kind of holding up, ain't it? I'll be real proud if this thing don't break 530 though. Yeah, I'm liking it. JFBR. I haven't even looked at JFBR. Oh yeah, I did look at JFBR. What did I not like about it? Cheap. Cheap. All right. LCFY back open. Holding that pre-market. Oh, can't buy it out the halt though. That's a nice candle. I wish I could have. Dang. About to hog up now. Man, Vero, new highs again. It looked like it was holding up too. Yeah, I'm cool on the cheapos, man. I'm not. I mean, there weren't any good priced small caps in for a while though. They were all super cheap. Man, if this didn't halt, this would have been such a great entry. I just kind of shook on the how to play it out the halt. So think I did the right thing by doing nothing. But that was nice. Usually get a nice retracement though after a tweezer like that. Nice strong close. New high day. See how strong Billy is these days. What's up, OG? I am liking LCFY, but green on Vero, that's nice, man. Vero is like beautiful stuff. Oh, this the buy. This the buy. It's probably gonna make a lower low into 5. That'll swipe all the stops. And then we ride. What's up, Brian? Dang, man. I should have bought that. That's tough. That's tough. I think I might have to buy that. That's a wide stop, though. Maybe it'll pull back in. Man, I need like 540s, man. Dang, you kind of got to get it up there, though. Otherwise, you're getting it on the ceiling. Made a new high a day and then came all the way back and double bottom. Man, yeah. Feel like I'm edging close to that type of entry, but I got these rules, man. They've been taking pretty good care of me, so I'm gonna keep rolling. Feel like it needs to make a new logo. I don't know. It ain't going. Like, why is it not going? Suspicious. Ah, I could definitely take this. Damn, that's a nice candle. Fake. What's up, Focus?
Order filled.
Yeah. My bad. I confused myself yesterday with that. Thanks, B. Too late. What do I want LCFY to do? Go up. You mean? Nah, it's 3R. I'm gonna just leave it at 3R and just if I don't want to lose more than 2R, then don't lose more than 2R. But I'm gonna just leave that as my upper limit. Yeah. Vero and LCFY. I only got two today, Focus. Yeah, Vero got. I'm thinking 6 for Vero. I think I might have bought the ceiling again over here on LCFY. Nah, I mean it was actually kind of late because I would have actually just wanted to buy the break of the close, but I wanted to get a new high somewhere. So I was watching for a new high on the one, and that's when I punched in. So I was actually just kind of waiting for more and more confirmation. Think I got what I wanted. Zero looks nice off pre-market high. It looks real nice. BIYA. I think I pulled that up today. Oh yeah, I did. I gave up on it because it downtrended so hard. I was like, nah, it's done. It looks pretty good though. Uh-oh, I see some motion over here. Yeah, I could have got in like 20 cents cheaper next time. Man, just when you start seeing some nice orders come in, then you just get slapped. Me too. For real, Trey. Not a team. You ain't like this hammer time action on the one? Pretty wide hammer time though. Big. 93, 94. Keep dropping back down though. Ooh, they keep coming back. Ooh, those are some nice big ones. Five. Come on, 6. What's out, Bugs? 6. Bruh, no way. If that's all it got in it, I'm gonna just take my 1 R loss. Yeah, I'm just I only got 3 shares, bro. Ain't much scalping about to happen. Guess I could have sold one. I hear you. Show is looking sus now. Right. Just didn't know where to put that joint. Guess that's probably where I would hold it. Slappage incoming, maybe. Whoa. What up, HH? Yeah, I know, right, Ben? My first mind was to not mess with it because all the candles are inside the previous candles, and it's not really showing me any kind of sentiment. Just going back and forth between the range. Here's the entry though. If I was going to play this lower day. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, that's the entry I should have waited on. That's beautiful. Yeah, it looks like that OG. The Joker is lagging, man. Yep. 2 cent under low a day, bro. That's around. I was gonna use this actually, but we got more volume here. I changed them to white. Ah, come on, dog. Dang, talk about an entry for being patient. Um, you know it's gonna slip lower day. It's got to. You gotta hit them stops. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I could just feel like it just wants to. It'd be a real nice climactic event to sweep those lows down to 5. Oh, that 15 closed green, huh? Mm. Yeah, I could have found me a third little something to watch, but it's cool. The Joker is down trending. Yeah, that's a wrap. Nice, Bobby. This show feel like an adder. Double down. Something. Man, we could just get back over 572. Yeah, it's bouncing lower and lower. Back over 50. Drop my average quite a bit. And V-roll. Ooh. Yeah, you did, Bobby. I just decided to focus on these two. Yeah, it's gotta break. Damn. Wow. That was a really quick dip. Dang, Vero exploded to 8. Wow. Straight to 5. Seen that coming. Stuff. I knew it needed to sweep the lows. I was listening to a video this morning. He was like, "You want to enter where the stops get swept. That's where you want to enter because the people with the big orders can't buy just anywhere. They have to buy where it's going to be a lot of liquidity." I really just wanted to buy that joint, but sake of these rules, damn. Cold world, saying. Cold world. I knew it was gonna happen though. I should have waited for that 508 level to come into play. Once it started trading underneath 580. That joint ready now though. Will I be able to find my way back in there? That's the question. Yeah, it's pretty far away from 508 right now. But I really wanted just outside of this TL. I want this to be an entry in mine. Second green. I actually tagged a trade like this. Second green after TL break. Stop under the wick. Take the break back over the high. But just be patient. See what happens. See what happens. Dang, bruv. Yeah, see, I want to take the break back up. Well, um, this would have been my buy area for Vero, and it just didn't give me a way in. I don't take my first. I let that first 5 minute candle close, and by then it's already extended. And I would take this trade, but it's just extended to me. So, but man, I don't know. First extension out of the TL. I don't know. Still below VWAP on the one. Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah. This one gonna hurt my feelings though. Gotta trust the system though. Cry off screen. Yeah, yeah. I could have definitely stayed out of this trade though. This was very subpar. Very subpar. Yeah, I want a second red. Even though it's only one green, it makes sense for it to only have one red. Yeah, I want to see this. I want to see another red close and make a lower low. 15 look ready too. Nah, it wasn't a real break. It was a low quality trade though. Yeah, just a loss. Thanks, bro. Yo, that's what's up. What you trade? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I need it down. I need it way down. Saying I don't think we're gonna get it today though. Man, if this thing can close right about here, that would be sweet. Still got 3 minutes though. Yeah, this looks pretty fire. I'll take the break of the high, but I'd rather it close down low, and I'll take the break of the close. Yeah. Yeah, I was checking out your calls, Dirk. Still about to have a ridiculous stop. Just give me 550 stuff. It's two greens. No, looking like a red. Mm. Yeah, I'm getting caught in this chop.
Order filled.
Definitely better than the first one because at least I got some clear, ups and downs going, and I got the test to support, and then the higher low outside of the trend line. So it's pretty good, but it doesn't look like stupendous. And but I mean, as far as volume goes, and I feel pretty good about it. Um, hmm, yeah, I don't like this trade at all, actually. This one would have been nice, but this was a halt, and so it opened and did this. So I don't know. That would have been super cool to jump in here and take it up to there. Not lower day trade. 519. That's what's up, weekly. Thanks for checking in, man. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me, por favor. Ah, dang. Ooh, that was cool. That was cool. JFBY. This show is going sideways. uh, it's going hella sideways. No. Talk to me, Dirt. Damn, we got a 10-cent spread. Yeah, volume's gone, man. Just walking down the TL. Yeah, I'm gonna making my way over to pre-market eventually, Dirt. This volume is tragic. Nah, not really. I'll watch a concept video of his every now and then, but I don't really feel like we have completely different trading personalities. Mm. bro. I'll look for reversals on the 5 minute chart. Hmm. Am I a pro trader? I am a aspiring trader. This is me sharing my hopefully journey to profitability, all the struggles along the way, and there are many. Yeah, wishing I had that lower day stop now, Trey. Aspiring. I'm seeking to be a pro trader. I'm wanting to be a pro trader. Yeah, it's done. So, where's your lower day stop? It's like a twig in between my order. I got a twig holding my order up. Uh, come on, twig. Come on, twig. Yeah, yeah, it's a wrap. Come on, back over 527. We got a chance. I don't know. Yeah. Nope.
Order filled.
Order fields. Yeah, Vero is just too high for me. I don't have a setup to take it way up there. Yeah, indeed. In pre-market, Joe. Nah, this is the double bottom on the 5 tray. We definitely about to find out, OG. uh, trying to catch this thing off the lows, but already just kind of in the what do you call it? The old spin cycle where you're stuck on a stock and can't let it go. All right, dirt. Hmm. Man, bro, I'm a believer after today for sure, man. uh, yeah, still gonna get cooked over here though. I thought that 527 break was gonna be the one to get things moving. It's definitely looking better. One thing I gotta accept, like if I don't want to put my stop low a day, my entry's probably not that good. Probably wait. Ooh, yeah. Yep, you did. Sure, focus probably said it a few times too. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely am getting closer to wanting to focus on the climactic areas. That video really rung in my head, and I guess it kind of solidified watching myself not do that and seeing what would have happened if I had done that. But and a lot of y'all been in my ear about the shorts and Trey and Ben, just kind of seeing the big picture of the whole game that everybody's playing together, trying to. Yeah, but see if this thing can get some wheels. It might just be too late. The 15 all under the EMA and everything. Yeah, after them two raggedy, yeah, this entry was wild for sure. Oh, snaps. I think we might have caught the reversal, dog. And look where it happened, right at the wedge, huh, Trey? Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. Hard headed. That boy hard headed. That boy hard headed. VWAP 565. That's cool, bro. You don't have to respect the lines. You just have to see them work with your eyeballs. I said you ain't have to, bro. Respect whatever you want, but them eyeballs, they gotta see it. All right, gangster. Yeah, he's just saying it's kind of abstract. Like to actually have the confidence to put your money on something, you know. I mean, you my dog, Dirk, but and I know it's only $2, but still. I don't it seemed like I'd be just willy-nilly pressing that button, but I'm putting my heart behind these trades. Come on, fam. It's gotta be a move. It really ain't gotta be nothing. Yeah, it sure did. What's up, Samurai? Oh gosh. Dirt. We're all friends here, bro. Uh, I know, man. I would have had to get it right out the open for me to feel comfortable with it. The pre-market high trade does look really good, but just one of those ones I just, Yeah, this thing is bound to drizzle. I just got in the way. Just got in the way. Yeah, I see it. Yes, I do have some. Yeah, sure would have been nice to be able to get in Vero. It just went off way too quick at the open. I'm always so surprised when you talk about the weekly on these because it just seems so random their daily price action. But I guess not. I guess I see how being called defensive could be triggering. Dang, well, it's banging on $9. My last little twig of hope is about to break. Yep. There we are. Max loss for the weekend. Another run with the stops. 15, way below where it needs to be. Yeah. Bad read today. $9.55 closing candle. Yeah. Total breakdown today. No, you're not wrong. Yeah, but like I see the candle and I see that that was the best time to buy, but what are the details around to separate this from all the other pullbacks like that fail? Yeah. Mm. What on this? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I really didn't wait until there was like a clear line to draw at all. Really forcing my trades on it. This was super forced. And that was like the beginning of the end. If I had just taken this one trade, that would have been cool, but that was too much. Oh, that red. Dang, bro. Straight to the moon. Hmm. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here, man. Lots to think about this weekend. Second morning, I feel like I just kind of broke down with my process at the beginning of the day in my first trade, waiting for my first trade to set up. Um, yeah, for sure, focus. Womp womp. That's cool, McGus. Appreciate having you, man. Yeah, it's lonely out here, man. It's definitely cool to have somebody on the journey with you. You should jump in the Discord, man. Uh, nah, I haven't gotten to it yet, man. Changes incoming? Nah, just need to see more data with my eyes so I can help myself be more patient. Be more patient. FOMO was a bit strong today. Yeah, that's where I want to be, Dirk. That's where I want to be. Um, it's just tough when you got one setup. This kind of one of the downfalls when you only got one. The FOMO is really tough because so much you have to pass up so much. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Don't want to make any changes though. That's kind of the thing I want to do more than anything is to just not change. To look at more charts and build more confidence and be more patient. No, R is a unit of measure which represents my risk per trade. So I measure my days, my success based on how much I make per risk unit. So if I risk one R and I make three, then that was a really good trade. But as long as I don't lose more than one R on each trade, then I consider that good risk management. But right now I'm climbing a risk ladder, which I'm starting at $2 and doubling as I get to 15R. And yeah, we're back down negative 4.95 at this point. So yeah, I mean, really, just the first three candles being inside each other were really, actually like the first. Didn't have a breakout until 10:05. The whole morning was inside of the range. Yeah, I was looking all fire. uh, yeah, actually, I need to remember to take a picture of all these things. So I'll take a picture of this one too. All right, guys. I hate going into the weekend red, but it usually doesn't take long before I feel hopeful again and get excited for Monday. This actually hasn't been going terribly bad. Let's pull up the old calendar. Oh yeah, I forgot market was closed Monday. Long red weekend. Oh boy. Long red weekend. Yeah, maybe so. But the good thing is losses are super tight this month. Not throwing money out the window. Yeah, picked the wrong stock for sure. It's just like I want all of these are cool though. Like I mean we can put a line on all of these puppies, but it's just how do you substantiate and not just be buying every pullback. I do like the first pullback out of the trend line break though. That seems pretty safe. Yeah. Yeah, indeed. I'll make good use of it. I'm really like, I go in waves where, you go through these moments where you want to spend every waking moment in trading content and journaling, and everything you're listening to is about trading. And then you get to a point where you just kind of chill. And I was in a chill spot for a while, but now it's just like everything I'm listening to in my headphones is trading related. And all my time, when I got some downtime at home, pulling out my laptop and looking at charts, going through my journal. So I'm in a good spot right now. Um, yeah, just one day at a time. One day at a time. But, all right, guys, hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and might see you guys tomorrow. Peace.